Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 84 Laravel 11 country, state, city, drop down HTML set. This video only HTML set. Next video is a drop down is a set. Select this country, select inside this is automatically state, inside this automatically city is a drop down as via example. This next video is 85 is a implementation. This video is only HTML set, and this is a project, live project is a working. www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my official website. Any doubt, so please open this website and please share this. My WhatsApp number is available anytime. Contact. This my jump server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP my admin. And this my database name is a real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. This first table is available. This is a city table is available, country table, and this is a state table. This is a 3 table is available, and this dynamic is a set. In this video is only HTML set. This my project is available. Jump folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run. This is a command from this directory. Inside this open cmd. Successfully this is a cmd open. Let's php artisan server and enter php artisan server this project directory. This URL is a copy and hit this my browser and hit this your browser, any browser use. I am using this Firefox browser and you use Chrome, so please Chrome. This URL is a run admin login, and this is my login screen is available, and this is the table is admin login admin@gmail.com. Password is 123456789 and click this login. Please wait, and this is not now is a save. Successfully login, good working. Let's inside this address inside this new implementation. This is the address inside this country automatic select city and state and city, and this is a database is a import. Please check this previous old video. Let's open this sidebar, resource view, admin, body and sidebar. This is a sidebar is available. Let's new sidebar is implement address. This is the address, same here, copy, and this is a paste here, and this is the address name, change address. This is the address, same, copy and paste here. This is the address. Let's refresh this page. Inside this new menu is a create address menu. Successfully this is the address menu is a create good working. This is the address menu is a create. Inside this URL is available admin address. Let's click this. Successfully inside this is available admin address. Please wait. This is the admin address is a created, good working, same here, copy, and this is a route. Inside this file is available only single file web.php. This is open, and this is admin. Inside this is a new create address. This is the address menu, start and address menu end, and this inside route get. This is the same route is a paste here. This route is a paste here, same route, admin address, and this new control not create. Controller is already created, and this controller is only use this location controller class class, and this is a admin address and save file. Successfully this is a save file. Let's a location control is already created. This file, this is a copy. This function name is a copy, and this location control is already created. This app use this is open http app. Inside this is http controller. Inside this is available location controller. This is a location controller, and this is a location controller. Inside this is all created. this location controller. Let's new function is a create public function, paste here, same here, paste here. This function is a paste here, this function paste here, and this is a create echo, and this my channel name error solution code, and this is a die, and save file. And refresh this page, successfully show error solution code.com. This is a working fine, this is a show fine. Let's remove, and this is set return view admin inside this new folder, create address folder, inside this list file is a create. Let's new file, new folder is already create. This is a name is a admin, same here. This copy admin, this is the admin folder is available. This folder inside this new folder create address folder. Let's new folder is successfully create. This is a first folder. Inside this file name is a list file, list blade.psp. Successfully create hello, save file, and refresh this page, and this is a hello is a good working fine. Let's remove and save file, and this is a blank is a available. Let's refresh this page, successfully blank. Inside this is a click this country inside this is a list file is open, and control A and copy. This is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This successfully paste this file inside this paste. Let's this remove not use, forest loop is not used. Let's remove successfully. Please write down this is a address address, same here, copy and paste here. This is a include, this is a message file is already inside. This is a include, this is a message file is a include. Please write down step by step. This is a live project is a working address, this new address create, and this is a name is a shame, it is as it is a working fine. Please refresh this page, and this is a set all good. Let's refresh this page, successfully available. Click this address, successfully show. This is a working fine. Please step by step writing this file good working. Let's add address. This button is available, add address. Please step by step writing this file. Please writing this file step by step. This is a button is available, this button add address, this button is available inside. Let's same here copy and web.php open inside this route, get and paste here. And this is a location controller, open location controller class. In this address add and save file, successfully save file good working. This is a fine. Let's copy this name, copy, and this new function create location public function paste here, public function paste here, and this is echo, and this my channel error, and this is a short name error, and die and save file and refresh this page, successfully working good. Let's click this add address. This is a error inside this echo is a show. This is a fine working, this echo is a show. Let's return view admin folder. Inside this is already folder is a create. This next is a address. Let's address folder is a create, and this is a add file, save file. Let's copy, and this is a new file is a create add blade.psp, successfully create hello show, and refresh this page, hello show. This is a fine, and remove this. Let's insert this step by step implementation only HTML drop down. Let's again this file is open, add blade.psp, select all, copy inside this paste here. Let's successfully paste. This file is a country, this country file is a open. Inside this all copy, and this is a paste here, this paste here. Let's refresh this page, and this is a working fine, but this step by step, this is a name is a sense, this name is a click this address inside this, click this add, and this name is a sense, this is a name is a sense. Let's step by step, name is a sense, name is a sense. This name is a address, same here address, copy paste, save file. And this route is a remove. Inside this route is not use this remove, as it is a working fine. Let's this back button is a address, and this first of all this country name is available as it is a working, good working. This is a all name is a sense, this back button is a working fine, this is a address, back button is a working, is a implementation, good. Let's click this add address, and this is a available, all place step by step write down. And this remove not use, this select class form controller, and this option, close this option, select countries, the first option is a select country, and select country inside this one different countries, India, USA, UK. This is a different countries available. This is a fine, this fine. Let's save file and refresh this page, and this is a different only HTML set, but this is a country table is a dynamic set. This is the next video is a this country table is available, this country table, this is a dynamic, inside this is a name set, this is only static name is a implementation, same here copy. Next is available city, this is not city, and this is a state, this click this state name, the same here name is a copy, and state name, and this is a state, the state name is a implement. India is a select, this is a Gujarat, UK is a Toyota, UK is a Paris, and successfully this is a state is a select. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a implementation state, this is a dynamic is a set, this is a static only name sense, this is a state is a, this is a dynamic names country I device, this is a country shift India, in this automatic Gujarat select, this is a two not is a show. Next is a city, same here copy and paste here city, this is a city is a dynamic name is available. Inside this is a table is a available city, just click this city, and this is a name is a dynamic set. Inside this is a not a record, this is a deluxe. City is a select, city means city name, save file. The city name is a Surat, Bhavnagar, Rajkot, save file and refresh this page. And this is a city is a select, this is a Gujarat is a select, inside this Surat city is a available, this different dynamic. In this is a next video is a dynamic is a implement, and this is a video only HTML is a implement. First of all this is a sidebar is a available. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. And new project development, so please contact. My experience is a 7 year. Inside this list of project is available, please buy. And this is a buy other project. Inside this is a list of project is available, place very small price. And this my channel error solution, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is my official website. And this is first of all this link is implement. Inside this is a to route is a create, and this is a location controller. Open this location controller. Inside this to function is a create this controller. Inside this location controller, first file is a this is a list file is a create. Please write down step by step this list file. Next file is a add file is a create. This is only static. Next video is a this is a dynamic implementation. This is 85 is a dynamic set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please support my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon. Share this your friend this video. Please support.